In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailgun account. We'll walk through the sign-up page, the form, and the quick phone verification so you can get up and running smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to the official Mailgun sign-up page at https://signup.mailgun.com/new/signup. Typing the URL directly reduces the chance of landing on the wrong page. When the page loads, you'll see the new account form. Next, fill out your account details. Start with an email address you actively use, since this is where account notices and recovery emails will go. Create a secure password that's hard to guess. Think a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can generate and store one for you so you don't have to memorize it. Then choose your region. You can select the US or the EU. Choose the location closest to where your main users or application live. This can help with performance and, in some cases, with data residency requirements. After that, read and agree to the terms and conditions. When everything looks good, click Create Account, or it may be labeled Sign Up, depending on the page layout. If you're undecided on region, think about where most recipients are and any compliance needs. EU often suits European data protection preferences, while US is great for North American traffic. Either region can send globally. It mainly affects performance and data residency. For many accounts, Mailgun will ask you to verify your phone number. This step helps prevent spam and keeps systems secure. Enter your mobile number carefully, making sure the country code is correct, and keep the phone nearby. Mailgun will send a short verification code by SMS. When it arrives, type that code into the verification field to confirm your number. If the message doesn't come through right away, give it a moment and double-check your signal and the number you entered. Codes usually expire quickly, so use it as soon as you receive it. Follow any on-screen prompts to wrap up the verification. Your phone number is used only for security and isn't shown publicly. Make sure the device can receive SMS. That's it. You've visited the sign-up page, completed the form with the right region, and verified your phone number when prompted. With your Mailgun account created, you're ready to move on to configuring services, but for now, you've successfully completed the account creation process. If you need to review any part of this walkthrough, feel free to replay the relevant section, and when you're ready, go ahead and create your account.